Say hi, sister. What's your name? Beautiful.
Karina.
Karina.
I'm Moo's little sister.
Yes, little big sister, because she's taller than me, y'all. She's 6'1". I'm the oldest and the shortest. Whatever, I'm still the oldest. And this is mommy. Say hi. She's beautiful. She's 25. This is Dakar. She's about to be a grandmother very soon. Inshallah. And then that's daddy right here. That's okay. Wait. This is Chez Adja, right? Chez Adja. It's the restaurant right by the beach.
Yeah, that's the ocean out there.
That's the ocean. That's the Atlantic Ocean, y'all, right?